Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance red packet codes. First, understand that a red packet is a fun way to receive free crypto. You'll need a unique code to claim it. These codes are often shared by other users or during Binance promotions, offering a chance to get various digital assets directly into your account. To claim your red packet, open the Binance app and look for the red packet icon, usually found under More Services. Once there, you'll see a space to enter your code. Type the code precisely as given, then hit Claim Now. The crypto will be deposited directly into your funding wallet, ready for you to use. After successfully claiming, your cryptocurrency will be visible in your Binance funding wallet. From there, you have several options. You can transfer it to your spot wallet if you wish to trade it for other cryptocurrencies or fiat. Alternatively, you might choose to simply hold onto your new assets or even convert them to a different coin. Remember to share red packet codes with friends. It's a great way to introduce them to crypto and earn rewards yourself. Always keep an eye on official Binance announcements for new red packet campaigns and opportunities. Also, for those looking to deepen their financial understanding, check the description for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.